Are you considering a career in cybersecurity? Many people wonder how to get started in this critical field. In this video, we'll guide you through entering cybersecurity. By the end, you'll understand how to build your path in this booming industry. First, acknowledge the growing demand. Cybersecurity roles are unfilled globally. Risk management is a constant need for every organization connected to the internet. Next, explore major career paths. Security analysts monitor networks. Ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities. Security engineers maintain security infrastructure. Each role has unique entry points and growth opportunities. Then, examine salary prospects. Cybersecurity pays competitively across regions and experience levels. Entry-level roles are strong, and senior professionals earn premium salaries due to their critical importance. Moving on, let's discuss certifications. Beginners should consider CompTIA Security Plus. For offensive roles, Certified Ethical Hacker or OSCP are great choices. Experienced professionals should aim for CISSP. Now, do you need a degree? Often, no skills like log analysis and vulnerability understanding are crucial. Hands-on practice matters more than formal education. Let's build your experience. Start by creating a virtual lab. Use virtualization tools to practice safely. Explore platforms that simulate real-world attacks. Document your progress and showcase your projects. Who should consider cybersecurity? If you enjoy problem-solving and analyzing systems, this field could be for you. It suits career switchers, IT professionals, and motivated beginners alike. To wrap up, remember that cybersecurity offers long-term relevance and global opportunity. It carries responsibility, but the demand far outstrips supply. If you're serious about starting in cybersecurity, structured learning is vital. Check out Uplatz for comprehensive courses. Visit uplatz.com to explore your learning path. Now, go ahead and apply what you've learned today.